So today is day 2 of the 100-day Homelab challenge. The goal of today is to set up a little blog. I did a really quick lookup for the different solutions for the blog, and I didn't find one I preferred, so I went for Wordpress because it's a tried and true method. So to set it up, I will do it on a Raspberry Pi because I have some laying around that I bought when it was actually possible. So to start, I just need to take the Pi, plug in the network, the power, and here we go, right? Well, it's a bit more complicated. Okay, so it's briefing time. The first thing to do anything with the Pi is to connect to the same network with my laptop. When I mean the same network, it's not only on the same physical network like cable or Wi-Fi, but using the same IP address range. The issue is currently my laptop is on one network and the Pi is on the other. The issue is that I can't change anything on the Pi until I've connected to it. So the first step is to change the network used on my laptop. Next, I will need to clean the install. Thankfully, this Ubuntu server install came with Cloud Init out of the box, so I can just clean it out right to its original state. Next, when I reboot, I could log into the Pi with its new IP address. Then I can do every update. It will probably take a long time. Once done, we can install every dependency we need to set up WordPress and do the WordPress install. So yeah, once everything is installed, I need to set up the WordPress site, and I just need to finish writing some content on it. So yeah, thankfully everything went to plan, except when I didn't plug the Ethernet cable on the Pi correctly, but else everything went smoothly, and hopefully it will continue for the next steps. Thanks for watching, see you later.